Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a physical SIM card at the iPhone 15 Plus. Please note that if you're having the US version, so the one you can buy in the United States, then you cannot insert a physical SIM card. You only can use any SIM. So ask your provider for that. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And here we will find the little white box again, and on top you will have here the SIM ejection tool on a card. Just remove it like this. Otherwise, of course, you can use also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, by the way, I'm having here the Pro model, but it is exactly the same at the iPhone 15 Plus. Okay, let's insert now the physical SIM card. First of all, if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool. So just insert it in the hole, press a bit stronger, and then you can remove the SIM tray. Okay, the SIM tray, you can insert one SIM card, and let's start with that. So, okay, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray, and the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you're ready, put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. So the contacts, they are on top here, to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe the next time. Ciao.